Earth dazzles us with beauty and complexity, yet it still guards secrets that defy explanation. Despite our advances, baffling phenomena persist. Enigmas born from the land, sea, and sky, challenging our understanding. Join me as we explore 10 of the planet's most captivating mysteries. Puzzles that have stumped scientists and inspired wonder for generations. Let's explore 10 enigmatic Earth mysteries today. Science and scientists still can't fully explain them. In the heart of Death Valley's enigmatic racetrack playa, a place of stark beauty and geological wonder, lies a mystery that has captivated scientists and adventurers alike for generations. Here, massive stones ranging in size from pebbles to boulders mysteriously glide across the seemingly barren desert floor, their movements defying simple explanation. As they journey across the playa, they leave long, winding trails etched into the parched earth behind them, a testament to their slow, deliberate progress. For decades, no one ever saw these stones in motion. Their movement remained elusive, an enigma wrapped in the silence of the desert. Only the evidence of their passage remained, the trails, the silent witnesses to a phenomenon unseen. Theories abounded, ranging from the influence of fierce, unrelenting winds, capable of pushing even the heaviest objects, to the more esoteric suggestion of powerful magnetic fields acting upon the mineral composition of the rocks. Yet, despite the speculation, none of these explanations fully accounted for the observed facts, leaving the mystery unsolved. Then, in 2014, a team of dedicated scientists finally achieved what so many had sought. They directly observed the stone's movement. The key, they discovered, lay in the formation of thin, almost imperceptible ice sheets that glazed the surface of the playa during the cold winter nights. These fragile sheets, acted upon by light but persistent winds, created just enough force to overcome the inertia of the stones. In this delicate balance of ice, wind, and gravity, the stones were gently nudged along their mysterious journeys. Yet the very specific conditions required for this movement, the precise thickness of the ice, the strength and direction of the wind, occur with such rarity that the phenomenon continues to be shrouded in an aura of wonder and scientific curiosity. The sailing stones of Death Valley serve as a potent reminder that even within the most seemingly barren and inhospitable landscapes on Earth, nature can harbor its most subtle, intricate, and captivating mysteries, waiting to be unraveled. Nestled away in the lush landscapes of northeastern Minnesota's Judge C.R. Magny State Park, a peculiar natural wonder awaits those who dare to venture into its depths. Here, the mighty Brule River, after carving its way through ancient rock, performs an unusual act. It splits. One half, seemingly obedient to the laws of nature, flows onward, continuing its journey downstream, cascading over rocks and logs. The other half, however, embarks on a far more enigmatic path, vanishing without a trace into the depths of the Devil's Kettle. Over the years, scientists, driven by curiosity and a thirst for answers, have conducted numerous experiments, pouring dyes of vibrant colors, and even releasing hundreds of buoyant ping-pong balls and sophisticated GPS trackers into the churning, frothing hole, hoping to unlock its secrets and trace the water's mysterious journey. Yet despite their best efforts and advanced technology, nothing ever reappears downstream, leaving the question of its destination unanswered. Some theories propose the existence of intricate underground cave systems, or perhaps a network of hidden springs, suggesting a subterranean escape route for the water. However, the region's bedrock geology, composed of solid, unyielding rock formations, doesn't readily support the formation of such extensive underground features. The sheer, staggering volume of water that vanishes into the kettle each second remains a perplexing enigma, defying simple explanations and calculations. And so, despite decades of dedicated study and countless hours of observation, the Devil's Kettle resolutely keeps its secret, guarding its mystery with unwavering resolve. It's a waterfall that seems to defy the very laws of physics, a portal that appears to drain directly into another world, a realm beyond our comprehension. The mystery endures, echoing through the ages, a constant reminder of the natural world's capacity to astound and bewilder, resonating beneath the waterfall's ceaseless roar. In 1930, a trapper arrived at a thriving Inuit village by Lake Anjikuni, only to find it eerily deserted. Tents and food were left behind, fires still smoldering, rifles untouched. Sled dogs were found starved, tied up despite food nearby. Even graves had been unearthed, their contents missing. No tracks, no struggle, no sign of where the villagers went. Theories range from supernatural forces to alien abduction, but no evidence has ever surfaced. The fate of the Anjikuni villagers remains one of the Arctic's most chilling mysteries. Across Peru's desert, enormous geoglyphs, spiders, hummingbirds, geometric shapes, stretch for miles, visible only from above. Created by the Nazca people over 1,500 years ago, their purpose is still debated. Some believe they're astronomical calendars, others ceremonial pathways. Fringe theories suggest alien landing strips, but archaeologists disagree. The line's scale and precision are astonishing, preserved by the dry climate. Why create art that could only be seen from the sky? The Nazca lines remain a silent message from a lost civilization. In 2011, sonar scans revealed a massive circular object on the Baltic seafloor, dubbed the Baltic Sea Anomaly. Its geometric features and long track on the seabed sparked wild speculation: crashed UFO, ancient structure, or natural formation. Divers reported equipment failures near the site, and rock samples didn't match the local geology. Most scientists believe it's a glacial deposit, but the anomaly's shape and mystery persist. Is it a relic of the past, or just a geological oddity? The Baltic Sea keeps its secret beneath the waves. Deep in the heart of the Peruvian Amazon, a place teeming with untold mysteries and natural wonders, lies a secret. The Timpishka River, a name that translates to boiled by the sun's heat, runs hot enough to boil. Its waters churn and bubble, releasing plumes of steam into the surrounding air. This is all the more astonishing considering it's located hundreds of miles from any active volcano, the typical source of such geothermal activity. For generations, local indigenous communities have whispered legends of its deadly heat, a river so potent it could claim lives. Initially, the scientific community largely dismissed these tales as mere myth, folklore born from the depths of the rainforest. That is, until its documented discovery in 2011, when scientist Andres Russo brought the river to the world's attention. The leading scientific theory proposes that water, originating from rainfall, seeps deep underground through porous rock formations. As it descends, it's heated by the Earth's internal geothermal energy, eventually resurfacing through fault lines and cracks in the Earth's crust. Yet, even with this explanation, the sheer size and consistently high temperature of the river remain extraordinary, a puzzle that continues to intrigue scientists. Beyond its scientific significance, the Timpishka holds deep spiritual meaning for the local people. The boiling river is not just a geographical anomaly, it is a sacred site, a place of spiritual power and connection to the earth. It stands as both a scientific marvel, challenging our understanding of geothermal processes, and a testament to the enduring power of local knowledge and the mysteries that our planet still holds. Its true origins are still debated, and further research is needed. In the depths of the Amazon, a river flows, defying expectations and beckoning us to explore the unknown. Off Japan's Yonaguni Island lies a submerged stone structure with sharp angles and terraces. Some say it's a lost city, others a natural formation. Marine geologist Masaki Kimura argues for ancient human construction, pointing to pyramid-like shapes and carved faces. Skeptics say the sandstone naturally fractures this way, and the structures are just erosion. If man-made, it would rewrite history. If natural, it's a geological marvel. No definitive evidence has settled the debate. The Yonaguni Monument remains an underwater riddle. In Antarctica, a crimson waterfall pours from Taylor Glacier. Blood falls. The red color isn't algae, but iron-rich water from a subglacial lake trapped for over 1 million years. When exposed to air, the iron oxidizes, staining the ice. Even more remarkable, the lake teems with microbes thriving in darkness and salt. Blood Falls is a window into life's resilience in extreme conditions. It hints at possibilities for life on other frozen worlds. Antarctica's icy heart bleeds a scientific mystery. In Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert, a fiery crater known as the Door to Hell has burned for over 50 years. Created by a drilling accident in 1971, geologists set the leaking gas alight, expecting it to burn out in weeks. Decades later, the flames still roar, fueled by vast underground reserves. The crater is both a cautionary tale and a bizarre tourist attraction. Attempts to extinguish it have failed. The Door to Hell is a monument to human error and nature's power. Its infernal glow endures in the desert night. In Taos, New Mexico, some residents hear a persistent, low-frequency hum while others hear nothing at all. The sound causes sleeplessness and distress, but sensitive equipment can't detect it. Theories range from distant machinery to neurological phenomena, but no source has been found. Similar hums are reported worldwide, always heard by only a few. Is it an environmental sound or something within the mind? For those who hear it, the Taos hum is an inescapable mystery. Science still can't explain the phantom noise. From desert stones to boiling rivers, these mysteries remind us how much we have yet to learn. They challenge our assumptions and fuel our curiosity, connecting us to Earth's hidden wonders. Some answers may come, but others will remain, inspiring awe and humility. Our planet is not just our home, it's a riddle wrapped in time.